think they've got us figured out. They wish there was just trying to tell us how the typical, predictable young love turns out. Yeah. But little do they know, girl, we got a fast car, a James Dean spirit, and a Norma Jean heart. This blank sheet of paper has been waiting forever. So baby, just tell me where you wanna start. You and I could fall as hard as we want, make the story all our own, and blow Shakespeare's mind. It's ours to write, it's our love and it's our life. Right or wrong, we'll write our own storyline. For Paris, a plan for Tennessee, oceans, mountains, hey, I don't care as long as you're with me. Running like crazy, yeah, a kissing in public. Who cares what the world thinks, girl? They don't know nothing about us. You and I can fall as hard as we want, make the story all our own, and blow Shakespeare's mind. It's ours to write, it's our love and it's our life. And right or wrong, we'll write our own storyline, yeah. Let's make the story of our lives whatever we wanna make it. If there's rules about the way this works, or think it's time that we break them from the moment that I met you, or there's just one thing I've been paying. If this boy gets you, girl, would you take my name?